Somewhere in this city right now, there is a traffic jam. Everyone agrees it is real. It's on the radio. It has a location, a length, even a mood. Now, go and find it. Not the cars. Not the drivers. Not the road. The jam itself. Take your time. I'll wait. Here's what you will find. Cars. Each one solid, real, undeniable. But inspect any single car. The jam isn't in it. Inspect the road, not there. The spaces between cars? Empty. And yet the jam is not a lie. It grows, it moves backward like a wave. It makes 1,000 people late. It is real enough to change your morning and impossible to find when you look closely. This failure is the dissection test. Take anything, divide it into its parts. Then ask, is the thing still there over and above the parts? If the answer is no, if the name evaporates the moment the parts are laid out, then the thing was a label. If you reach something that cannot be divided further, you have hit bedrock. The ancient analysts called that bedrock ultimate. Run the dissection test on a human being on you and see what survives. So let's run it. Everyday level. One thing. One name, one story, one face. Divide. The body. Is the body Maya? It was once half its size and every part of it is replaceable. The voice? It changes with a cold. The memories? They arrive one at a time. Which one is her? The opinions? She's revised most of them. Keep cutting, and the same thing happens that happened on the highway. Everything you find is real, and none of it, alone, is her. But the dissection of a person does not end in dust. It ends at bedrock. 4 kinds of bedrock. Bedrock number 1, awareness itself. Not thoughts, those are more complicated. Underneath thoughts, the bare event of knowing. First, it is always awareness of something. Knowing and its object arrive together, like a hit and the thing hit. Second, it comes one at a time. It feels like you see and hear simultaneously. This is an illusion of speed. Third, each flash arises, does its one job of knowing and completely ends. Nothing carries over except what it hands to the next. Fourth, run the test. Can you divide a single flash of knowing into smaller flashes? The analysts answer, no. You have hit bedrock. Bedrock number 2, the mental factors. A mental factor arises together with awareness and ends when it ends. Contact, the meeting. Feeling tone pleasant, painful, or neutral. Recognition, the tagging. Intention, the push. Attention, the aiming. What you call your personality is not a carved statue. It is a recipe. Which factors, how strong, how often. Bedrock number 3, matter. The definition is elegant. Matter is what does not know. A stone receives sunlight, but no seeing happens. Solidity resisting. Cohesion, holding together. Temperature, ripening energy. Motion, pushing. These are behaviors of every substance. Your body, on this level, is a column of matter behaving. Lawful, neutral, blameless. It has never had an opinion of you. The 4th entry is unlike the others. Awareness flickers. Factors flicker. Matter churns. The 4th is not assembled, not aging. Now reassemble Maya. Gold flashes of knowing. Cyan factors dressing every flash. Gray-blue lattice column, behaving lawfully. The name is true the way traffic jam is true. She can sign contracts, keep promises, be loved. Mistake 1. Taking the label for bedrock. Believing behind the braid sits an unchanging stone called Maya. Every insult chips it. Mistake 2. Concluding that because Maya is a process, nothing is real. The pain is real. The kindness is real. Only the stone was fiction. Neuroscience spent a century looking for the seat where you sits. The verdict, there is no such seat. The brain runs like traffic. Most of your body's matter cycles out. You share almost none of your particles with the child in your first photograph. So the next time your mind says, I'm a failure, pause 1 second and run the test. Divide. You will find flashes of knowing, recipes of factors, pain that is real and passing. Kindness that is real and buildable and no stone. Statues can only ever be what they are. A flowing can be redirected. You are not a thing that flows. You are the flowing.